We will continue our team coverage of Hurricane Ian in just a moment, but we want to bring you the closing bell from Wall Street first. The Dow finished with substantial gains today, up about 550 points.
Meanwhile, both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ are also up by about 2%. Joining us with more is Kristin Myers, editor-in-chief at The Balance. Kristin, it's been a while, really, since we've seen positive gains in the market. It seems like every day we hear that closing bell. We're reporting how far it's down. What's been the driving force today?
Yeah, it's a little bit of a nice change of pace, I have to say, for this Wednesday, really to see markets in the green after we've just been seeing so much red across the screen for so many trading sessions. Well, investors right now have essentially been looking anywhere they possibly can for any hint of positive news. So far, they've been very anxious about the moves the Federal Reserve has been making, potential recession. And what we've been in lately, or I should say just about the last couple of days, is this currency crisis. We've seen the British pound absolutely plummet in its value against the U.S. dollar. Now, if you want to buy a luxury handbag, that might sound really great because the U.S. dollar is very strong. But this is not good for the markets, and here's why. A lot of financial transactions happen in the U.S. dollar. A lot of companies pay for things in the U.S. dollar. So if their currency is very weak, it's going to impact their ability to make payments and to make future investments. And that's why we've been seeing the markets really react negatively to this weak British pound. But we heard from the Bank of England that they're going to be making steps to stabilize their currency. And it seems that good news was good enough for investors today to really send us into this rally.
So, Kristin, we do know we have had some bad news, though, in the form of Hurricane Ian, right? A lot of damage it's expected to create there in Florida. What kind of impact do you foresee that hurricane having on the national stage? Because clearly investors were not worried about it today.
Yeah, and investors tend to look past these events sometimes. We might see after, of course, it's now made landfall. We really have to see what kind of economic toll and damage that it is going to cause. There probably is going to be an impact on some supply chains. Obviously, if you're expecting any kind of packages or goods to be coming from that area, there's going to be an impact. And so that's really going to, I think, cause some troubles in the next couple of weeks and months. But when it comes to the economic impacts, we don't have to look too far back in history. Just last year, another I-named hurricane, that's Hurricane Ida, caused $75 billion of damages. That's money that we're going to need federal assistance for to help rebuild infrastructure, to help American families essentially get back on their feet, help them repair their homes, not to mention how much this is going to cost the insurance markets that are going to have to pay out money to buildings, to companies, and just to regular households to really help them either repair or replace some of the damages that were caused.
Absolutely. All right. Well, Kristin Myers, thank you so much. We appreciate your insight.
Thanks.